Hello and welcome fellow crafters. On today's video, we're going to overview the essential card making supplies. To create beautiful cards, you'll need a few essential supplies. The great news is you don't need a lot to get started, just some basic tools and materials. However, I'll provide a comprehensive list to help you build your collection as you expand your card making skills. Cardstock is the foundation of any great card, and understanding its different weights is key to making the perfect project. In this video, I'll be focusing on two of the most commonly used weights, 110 pounds and 65 pounds. For the base of your card, 110 pounds cardstock is your best choice. This weight provides the strength and stability your card needs, allowing it to stand up on its own and feel sturdy in your hands. Whether you choose white or vibrant color cardstock, it will give you a solid foundation that's perfect to suit your design. For your card base, you can use pre-scored cards or cut your own from larger sheets. When it comes to the design elements like die cutting shapes, letters, or adding decorative accents, 65 pounds cardstock is ideal. It's lighter and easier to work with for more intricate details, but still strong enough to keep your card looking polished and professional. It's perfect for adding those fun decorative touches without weighting down your design. By pairing 110 pounds for your base and 65 pounds for your details, you'll create cards that are both beautifully detailed and structurally solid. On weight, cardstock also comes in a variety of sizes. The most common are 6 by 6 inches, 12 by 12 inches, and the standard 8.5 inches by 11 inches, an A4 format. You can select the size that best suits your project, whether you're making smaller cards or larger designs. It's important to note that there are various card sizes such as A2, A7, Slimline, and more. I'll go over the details of these sizes in a future video. For more advanced techniques, you could use specialty papers such as textured, vellum, metallic, glitter, watercolor, acetate, and pattern papers. Ink pads. Ink pads come in a wide range of colors and types, each suited for different techniques. Dye ink pads. These dry quickly and produce vibrant colors, making them ideal for stamping and blending. Pigment ink pads. Slower drying and perfect for embossing. Pigment inks create rich, opaque impressions. Hybrid inks. A blend of dye and pigment inks. Hybrid inks offer versatility and work well on various surfaces. Alcohol inks. These are used for creating unique background effects and smooth blending. To get started, I recommend investing in a good black ink, like VersaFine Clear, for crisp stamping, and a set of distress oxide inks for beautiful blendable backgrounds. Stamps. Stamps come in a variety of styles, each offering unique benefits. Clear stamps. Easy to position. These stamps are perfect for layering and precise stamping. Are especially beginner friendly because you can see exactly when you're stamping, allowing for more precise placement. Rubber stamps. Known for their deep impressions and traditional craftsmanship, rubber stamps offer rich, detailed images. Stamps with coordinating dies. These make it easy to cut out stamped images with precision and ease. Background stamps. Large stamps designed to cover the entire card, ideal for creating intricate all over designs. Die cutting and stencils. Die cutting machines. These are various types of die cutting machines available, including manual options like the C6 and Spellbinders, as well as electric models such as the Empress by Anna Griffin. For smaller projects, you can opt for compact machines like the C6 Sidekick. If you're just starting out, I recommend going with a smaller, more affordable die cutter. But if your budget allows, a larger machine will offer more versatility. When choosing a smaller machine, be sure to check the size of the cutting plates and select dies that fit within those dimensions. For example, if your sidekick plates measure 2.5 inches, choose dies that are no wider than 2.5 inches. Metal dies. These are used to cut out shapes, sentiments, and detailed images from cardstock and other materials. Embossing dies. These dies add extra dimension to your die cuts, allowing you to create raised texture designs for a more professional finish. Stencils. Perfect for creating backgrounds or adding texture through ink blending. Stencils are an essential tool for adding dimension and interest to your cards. Embossing supplies. Anti-static powder. This helps prevent embossing powder from sticking to unwanted areas of your cardstock, ensuring a clean and crisp embossed design. Embossing powders. Available in clear, metallic, and colored options, embossing powder creates raised textured designs on your cards. If you're just starting, I recommend getting clear, gold, and silver powders. The clear powder is especially versatile because you can use it with colored inks with simply stamp your image with ink, then apply the clear powder to emboss it in the same color as the ink. Watermark stamp pad. The most commonly used is Versamark ink, which creates a sticky surface that allows embossing powder to adhere to your paper. While Versamark is the go-to choice for this, you can also use regular pigment or dye inks as a substitute for embossing, though the results may vary. Heat tool. A heat tool is essential for melting embossing powder, turning it into a smooth, raised design. Be sure to use a tool specifically designed for embossing to avoid damaging your paper. Embossing folders. These are used to add texture and dimension to your cardstock. You'll also find 3D embossing folders, which create even deeper, more intricate textures for a truly dimensional effect. Markers and pens. Alcohol markers, perfect for blending and adding vibrant color to stamped images. Alcohol markers provide smooth, even coverage. Copic markers are the most highly recommended for their blending ability, but Ohuhu markers offer a more budget-friendly alternative with great results. Gel pens. Use gel pens for adding fine details, accents, and highlights to your designs. They are especially useful for creating white highlights on dark colored cards. Metallic markers. Gold, silver, and other metallic markers are perfect for adding special effects, such as elegant touches or eye-catching accents to your cards. Adhesives. To stick everything down, you can use double-sided tape, glue dots, glue runners, foam adhesive, or liquid adhesive. Personally, I prefer to use liquid glue and foam adhesive for giving some height. Cutting tools. Paper trimmer or guillotine. Essential for making precise straight cuts on cardstock and patterned paper. For the most accurate straight cuts, I recommend using a guillotine style trimmer. It provides greater control and ensures clean edges. Regular scissors. A good pair of non-stick scissors is a must for general cutting. Non-stick blades help prevent adhesive buildup, making them ideal for a variety of paper crafting tasks. Precision scissors. For fussy cutting stamped images and intricate shapes, precision scissors with fine tips are essential for detailed work and sharp, clean cuts. Craft knife. If you don't have a paper trimmer, a craft knife is a great alternative for making detailed cuts. It's also ideal for cutting card bases and other intricate shapes, providing precision and control for fine details. Tools for detailed work. Stamp positioning tool. Tools like the MISTI or the We Are Memory Keepers Precision Press Advanced are perfect for ensuring precise and consistent stamp placement every time. For smaller images, you can also use acrylic stamping blocks for easy alignment and control. Scoring tool. A scoring tool is essential for making accurate folds on your cards and projects. It ensures clean, crisp folds and helps create professional looking lines. Bone folder. Use a bone folder to create sharp, smooth creases and folds. It's an indispensable tool for achieving crisp professional results when assembling your cards. Tweezers. Tweezers are perfect for picking up and positioning tiny embellishments, die cuts, or delicate pieces, allowing for precise placement without smudging or touching the adhesive. Envelope makers. Tools like the Fiskars or We Are Memory Keepers envelope makers allow you to create custom envelopes for any card size, ensuring a perfect match for your handmade cards. Paper punches. These are great for creating basic shapes or even intricate designs, allowing you to add unique details to your creations with ease. Grip mat is a photopolymer mat designed to gently hold your stencil and cardstock in place, ensuring stability during stenciling and ink blending. Specialty products. Foil. Perfect for adding metallic accents to your cards. Foil can be applied using a laminator or a foil system like the Glimmer machine by Spellbinders for stunning professional looking results. Washi tape. A versatile tool for adding decorative touches to your cards. Washi tape is also great for easy masking and creating colorful borders or accents. Enamel dots and sequins. These embellishments add dimension, texture, and a touch of sparkle to your projects, giving them a polished, eye-catching finish. Pearls and gems. Elegant accents that bring sophistication and a luxurious feel to your cards. Perfect for adding a refined, polished look to any design. Glossy accents. This product adds a shiny, glossy finish to your creations, giving them a polished, dimensional look. Tools for advanced techniques. Blending brushes and sponges. Essential for achieving smooth, seamless ink blending and creating beautiful grading effects on your cards. Stencil brushes. Designed for soft, controlled application of ink through stencils. These brushes help you create precise, detailed background effects. Spritzers and misters. Perfect for adding ink splatter effects or water distressing. These tools allow you to create unique textures and background details with ease. Texture paste and gels. Ideal for adding dimension and visual interest to your cards. Texture pastes and gels create raised designs, smooth finishes, or a variety of special effects. Other supplies. A crafting mat is essential for protecting your work surface, and the grid lines make it easy to align and position your creations accurately. I also recommend having a T ruler or a basic ruler on hand for precise measurements and straight lines. Baby wipes are great for cleaning your stamps, stencils, or even your hands if you end up with inky fingers. Keep a notepad nearby to jot down ideas, inspiration, or techniques you've learned from other crafters. It's a helpful way to stay organized and spark new creative ideas. It's also useful to have some containers or Ziploc bags to keep your projects organized, especially when you have die cut shapes or multiple layers on a card. This helps you to keep everything together and tidy while you work. If possible, get a bottle with a needle tip for your liquid adhesive. It allows for more precise application, making it perfect for intricate designs. And don't forget to keep a pin handy to unclog the needle tip and prevent the adhesive from drying inside. A picking tool is also essential for easily grabbing small embellishments like gems, sequins, or tiny paper pieces. A paper piercing tool is an essential tool for easily removing cardstock from metal dies by helping you lift out the tiny pieces left in the dies holes. In summary, take a look at these items and choose the ones that best suit your crafting needs. But remember, you don't need to buy everything all at once. Start with the basics. Begin with essentials like cardstock, patterned paper, black ink, clear embossing powder, a heat tool, and anti-static powder. Consider adding clear stamps, preferably with coordinating dies, and theme sets like birthdays, holidays, or flowers. Scissors and either a small die cutting machine or precision scissors for fussy cutting will also be useful. Don't forget some basic alcohol markers and a few reliable adhesives. With these supplies, you'll be all set to start this exciting journey and create something amazing. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you as soon as possible. I'd love to hear from you. What are your must have card making supplies? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting!